You can fast-track your Audacity learning process with the macros I developed. I will show you how. I will duplicate this track and will apply a macro to one of the tracks. You will see how much improvement I get in the audio just in a single click. I have developed 9 macros, and all of them will make your sound better. They will also add a professional EQ on top of that. For example, Clear Vocal adds a type of EQ, and ESS Reduction adds another type of EQ. If you get the macros, you can see exactly what EQ and which effects I have applied. I will apply the Clear Vocal macro to improve this audio. The audio will be improved instantly in just a single click. This workflow is saving me tons of time in the editing process in the long run.
In this video, I am going to show you how to make your sound better using Audacity real-time effects. In this video, I am going to show you how to make your sound better using Audacity real-time effects. Audacity real-time effects is a new introduction from version 3.2.0, but when it was first introduced, it was not working very well because Audacity real-time effects works well with third-party plugins. During that time, good and compatible third-party plugins were not available.
If you get the macros, you will get a zip file. Unzip the file and browse to the folder. You will see 2 folders, macros and EQs. I have 9 macros which include sound better effects and EQs. You can install them all and see which one is making your sound better. I also included the EQs separately for the audio enthusiastic. If you want to add the EQ separately, you can import the EQs and use them. The installation process of macros is quite simple. From the Audacity Tools menu, go to the Macro Manager. Click on Import and browse to the location of the macros. It is important that you browse to the macros folder, as there is also the EQs folder. You have to open all these text files one by one. Audacity has not given the option to import all of them at once, so you have to do one at a time. After importing them, the name of the macro will appear on the left side. Click on a name, and you can see which effects are inside a macro. You will also see how it is configured. So if you browse through the effects, you can know which effects to add. You will also know how to configure the settings to get a clear vocal. You can learn the difference between podcast improvement and ESS reduction. If your raw recording has a low noise floor, as it should in a good audio recording, these macros are all you need to produce the final audio. If you think you do not know the effects very well yet, you can take the audio cleanup course. I have discussed the effects in detail so you will learn once and use that knowledge lifetime. You can enroll in the course from the Buy Me Coffee page. I will put the necessary links in the description. You will also get the link to the macro pack in the description. I have detailed instructions about how to install and use the macro in the description. If you think if any people are using these, you can see I already have 28 supporters who are either members or using my tools or enrolled in my course. So grab the macros and fast-track your Audacity learning. You do not need to spend tons of hours looking for what to learn and where to learn. I have put all the necessary info to begin amazing voice recording techniques in one place.